Hello, today I am going to talk about one of my favorite festivals that is present in Villavicencio. It's called the Festival of the Joropo Dance, Festival del Joropo. This year will be for the date November 11 of 2021 until November 15 of the same year. Regarding the food is delicious, very typical of the region that is the meat to the llanera and other spectacular grilled dishes has four drinks are also very rich and refreshing as the rice chicha and vanilla water with lemon and coffee. And other hand at the time is music and the dance. The costumes are colorful. There are two types, one of show and another creole, both beautiful. Also present different activities for people to participate. And finally, I would like to go food festival like the Napoli Pizza Villas and Italy or the Taste of London, UK. Thank you.